Hey guys, I'm Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I post art videos. Currently, I'm working on this diamond painting I bought from Meesho under rupees 250. It is 30 cross 40 centimeter and because of its size, lost a lot of details. There's no option to choose the size of the painting or the type of the drill, but everything was included, came well packed. Canvas is nice and sticky. Sufficient drills are provided. Painting has 22 colors and it is a round drill kit. I would not recommend you to buy this kit if you want all the details to show clearly. It is good for beginners and is budget friendly. I don't have a multi-placer, so I do one diamond at a time. The process gives me peace of mind. Also, I place the diamonds in an order as it gives me a sense that if I put the diamonds in order, I'll get straight lines. Randomly choosing a color and placing all the diamonds of that color on the canvas overwhelms me, but I'm working on it. I'm on the last part of the painting. Let me show you how it looks after completion. You can skip to the end of the video or enjoy this ASMR. So this is the completed painting. What you guys are working on, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more art and craft related videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.